Good morning friends, myself Santosh. Today in this video we are going to discuss a website called AGMoocs, which is meant to offer some of the free online courses for the agriculture students. So this is the homepage for the AGMoocs website, and you can see the video module of the mobile view. So this is being offered by IIT Kanpur, and the courses you can see here are the current courses like fundamentals of agriculture extension, integrated pest management, and कृषि अनुदान के माध्यम से जागृमिक दिवासन को रोजगार सृजना. It's a common module for the Hindi people, and also some of the archived courses also there like CASI conservation agriculture based sustainable intensification, and also diagnosis of the crop based store grain management, pest management, and GAS, extension, ICT basics, weather forecast, agriculture value chain management, design thinking. So there are so many other online courses being offered by the AGMoocs website, and this is completely absolutely free, and in the end of the course you will be also given with a free online certificate fully authorized by AGMoocs. Okay, so when you want to register for a course, you just get into the AGMoocs website, and also in the course section when you click on it you will get into a complete view of lectures which are currently being offered like AG 191A fundamentals of agriculture extension, integrated pest management, and this. Okay, and also along with that there are also other archived courses which are already happened, and also even then you can also apply in the current situation like a conservation agriculture based sustainable intensification, CASI, GAS, extension, ICT basics, weather forecast, and agriculture value chain management. So as you can see here there are so many other other courses also which are archived by the website, and though you can apply now whenever you want it, and at the end of the course you will be evaluated based upon your performance and you will be given with a certificate. So when you want to, for example, we will see how to register a course and how to complete a course. So when you want to see when you want to register a course called fundamentals of agriculture extension, AG 191A is the course code for that. So when you click on that you will be taken into a complete view of the details of the course. So in this view you can see the complete details of the course like how they being collaborated and how it's been worked. So for example, this course is in collaboration with Commonwealth of Learning, COL. So it is being this is a Pandit Madan Mohanlal Mahalviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching. Okay, so PMMM NMTT supported by MOOC. So and also you will be given with the course description course description, the full course description, and also contents of the course in the points wise, and also the targeted audience whom they want to teach, and the course audience are also given here. And if you find one yourself in the one of these, that's fine. Okay, so and also you are also given with the outcomes of the course like leadership and market led extension, cyber extension, and also NES, DCB community development programs. So what are the outcomes of the probable outcomes of the course also given, and at the end of the website, end of the page, you will see the certificates being issued by IIT Kanpur. So the qualified students will be given certificates based upon their performance and involvement, and the participation certificate will be issued by the CCE, Center for Continuing Education, IIT Kanpur. Okay, in collaboration with Commonwealth of Learning, COL Canada. So for example, for this course the starting date is April 21st 2020, and the course lasts for 8 weeks. Okay, the duration is for 8 weeks, and the team is led by Dr. Basav Prabhu Jirji. Okay, Jirli. Okay, he is from BHU Varanasi, and also you can see the other operators being operated for this. So when you click on this, the AGMoocs Commonwealth poster, you can see the poster for that. Okay, so when you can also download the poster, and in the poster you are given with the complete information about the course. Okay, so this is the website how it looks like, and there are also other sections. In the courses section you can watch and you can select the type of the course and also the name of the course you want to register. And in the media there are also news being running up in the AGMoocs, and also in the about us section you will see how it works and also recent publications of the AGMoocs website. Okay, so first what you have to do is you have to sign up or sign in to the AG MOOCs. So if you are already a member, you can sign in by using your login username and password, and if you are not, you can create an account. Okay, so when you click on the create new account, you will be taken to a page like this, and you can register your name and email address, and also username, gender, age, affiliation, qualification. Okay, so and the state, profession, and also country. So for the end of that you can create a new account, and once you create your account, you will be given with a user ID, username, and password. Okay, so by using the username and password, you can select whatever the course you want to register, and you can simply register that, and you can, when you involve and completely learn something out of it, at the end of the course module, you will be given issued with a authorized certificate end of the day. Okay, okay friends, so I hope this video helps, and thank you.